In Southlake, Texas, where businesses are surrounded by a community that values aesthetics, functionality, and security, commercial outdoor lighting is more than just an afterthought. It's a critical element that can significantly enhance your business's curb appeal, boost safety, attract more customers, and even increase property value. Whether you own a retail store, a restaurant, or an office building, outdoor lighting plays an essential role in creating a welcoming environment and making your business stand out. Here's why commercial outdoor lighting is not just important but essential for businesses in Southlake. Enhances curb appeal and attracts customers. First impressions matter, especially for businesses. A well-lit exterior makes your property more inviting and visible, drawing in potential customers. Whether it's the warm glow of a well-lit sign or pathway lights guiding people to your front door, exterior lighting helps create an immediate positive impact. For example, uplighting on architectural features such as your building's facade or signage can make your business stand out even in the evening. If you're a retail shop, well-lit windows with products on display can tempt passers-by to stop and browse, even after sunset. For restaurants, cafes, and bars, outdoor lighting can create an ambiance that attracts customers looking for a warm, inviting place to dine or relax. In Southlake, where the surrounding community appreciates aesthetic beauty, exterior lighting isn't just functional, it's part of your brand image. It can make your business feel more approachable and engaging, improving customer experience from the very first interaction. Improves safety and security. Safety is a top priority for both customers and employees, and commercial outdoor lighting plays a key role in improving the security of your property. A well-lit exterior deters criminal activity, as it's less likely for intruders to approach a well-lit building where they could be easily spotted. Illuminating your parking lot, entryways, walkways, and dark corners with motion sensor lights or floodlights makes it safer for employees to walk to their cars at night and helps customers feel secure when they visit your business after hours. Well-placed lights around your perimeter reduce the risk of accidents by illuminating potential hazards like stairs, curbs, and uneven surfaces. In Southlake's busy business environment, where both customers and employees frequent establishments at various times of the day, safety is a top concern. Outdoor lighting helps keep everyone safe while protecting your property from theft or vandalism. Extends business hours and visibility. Another major advantage of commercial outdoor lighting is that it extends the usability of your business by allowing it to operate beyond daylight hours. For businesses like restaurants, cafes, or retail stores that stay open late, having proper exterior lighting increases visibility, making it clear to potential customers that your business is open and ready to serve. Well-lit signage is essential in helping customers find your business, especially when they're driving by. For Southlake's residents and visitors who frequent local shops and restaurants, good lighting not only helps them identify businesses more easily but also reassures them that the space is active and inviting after dark. For businesses that may have after-hours events, promotions, or even just late-night foot traffic, outdoor lighting ensures that your business remains visible and accessible, giving you the advantage of being a go-to spot at any hour. Enhances branding and atmosphere. Outdoor lighting is a powerful tool for creating a brand identity. The type and style of exterior lighting you choose should reflect the mood and atmosphere you want to convey to your customers. For example, a modern retail store might opt for sleek, minimalist lighting, while a restaurant could use warm, ambient lighting to create a cozy, intimate dining experience. Vintage-style lamps or string lights could give a more rustic or charming vibe, depending on your business's aesthetic. By aligning your exterior lighting with your brand's style, you reinforce your business identity and set the tone for what customers can expect inside. Whether it's an inviting porch light, a dramatic spot on your signage, or soft ambient lighting around your outdoor seating area, lighting can elevate the customer experience and strengthen your business's appeal. Cost-effective energy efficiency. Many business owners in Southlake are mindful of their energy costs, and with modern advancements in outdoor lighting, it's now easier than ever to save on electricity while still achieving a beautiful, well-lit exterior. LED lights and solar-powered lighting are both energy-efficient and long-lasting options that can significantly reduce your energy bills. LED lights consume a fraction of the energy compared to traditional bulbs, while solar lighting requires no electricity at all, as it operates on solar power collected during the day. These energy-efficient options not only cut costs but also contribute to your business's sustainability efforts, something that resonates with eco-conscious customers. Increases property value. Finally, commercial outdoor lighting can increase the overall value of your property. Businesses that have thoughtfully designed and well-maintained lighting systems tend to look more attractive and professional, which could be a huge selling point if you plan to rent or sell your commercial property in the future. The right lighting can make your property more marketable and desirable to potential buyers or tenants. Conclusion. In Southlake's competitive business environment, commercial outdoor lighting is not just an aesthetic choice, it's a necessity. It enhances curb appeal, increases safety, improves visibility, creates an inviting atmosphere, and even contributes to energy efficiency and cost savings. Whether you're looking to attract more customers, improve your business's security, or simply extend your hours of operation, investing in quality exterior lighting is a smart and impactful decision. If you're ready to take your business's exterior to the next level, reach out to a professional lighting expert who can help design a custom lighting plan that aligns with your business's needs and goals. With the right commercial lighting, your business can shine both day and night in Southlake's thriving community.